What's up mga ka-runners? So we are here at Vermosa to join the Pinoy Fitness Sub 1 10 km challenge. So sana masal 50 natin. Pero let's see. So mag-warm up muna tayo para di tayo mabigla. So let's go. So daming mga mamaw. So run safe sa inyo guys. Let's go. Let's do this. Hey! What's up mga ka-runners? So we finish walking 53 and 34 here again at Vermosa with our sub 1 challenge. So hindi kinaya mag sub 50. Pagod na ako, parang naka 5 tigil ako. Pero okay lang yun. At least naka sub 1 tayo, nakuha tayo ng puzzle medal. So yun lang, balik tayo sa race village para magkuha ng mga items. Let's go!
Lang ang pagitan nila. Nalito mo ng konti. 1 second lang. And salamat sa lahat ng dumalo at sumuporta sa 14th Pinoy Fitness Sub 110K Challenge. And we hope to see everyone again on May 23 again here in Vermosa for our first 15K challenge.
Let's go!
Second leg of our series. And
Always say, we have to do well to and always run for the right.